If you are wondering if there is a memory card slot available on POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer is unfortunately no. So if you take a look at the SIM tray that I just removed from the POCO X8 Pro Max, then over here you can see that we do have two SIM card slots, but unfortunately there is no dedicated slot for microSD card. In fact, the microSD card, as you can see, is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is just no way to use it. And the only way to actually use the memory card is by using a memory card reader. So for example, I have this huge memory card reader, but you only care about the microSD card slot, so you can just insert the memory card into the memory card reader just like that, and then with the USB cable you just want to connect it to the phone and you should be able to access the storage quite easily. But of course that is not a true solution to that. This is just like an alternative that you can use if you happen to be in a situation where you want to access the storage of the microSD card. But of course no one really wants to walk around with this thing connected to your phone all the time. That is of course not the whole point. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.